हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या रहेगा? लास्ट टॉपिक मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था अबाउट गैमेटोजेनेसिस, जिसमें हमने पहला टॉपिक लिया था स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस। तो आज हम उसी टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे और आज का टॉपिक रहेगा हमारा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पर्म। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज ऑल अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पर्म। लास्ट टॉपिक जब आप थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करेंगे तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया था दैट आफ्टर स्पर्मेटिड्स फॉर्मेशन, जब स्पर्मेटिड्स बन गए उसके बाद क्या फॉर्मेशन हुई थी, देन देयर अंडरगोज अ प्रोसेस व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस। इन दैट प्रोसेस वी स्टडी द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म्स फ्रॉम द स्पर्मेटिड्स। फ्रॉम द स्पर्मेटिड्स देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म्स। ठीक है, प्रोसेस को क्या बोला था हमने? स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस। तो आज के टॉपिक में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? स्पर्म्स। जब मैंने लास्ट टॉपिक में आपको क्या पढ़ाया था दैट देयर आर सम चेंजेस व्हिच अंडरगोज during the formation of these sperms from these spermatids, as these spermatids are circular and these sperms are elongated and motile. ठीक है, तो let's take this topic, the structure of sperms. Okay. The sperms are elongated, motile, haploid structure. These are elongated as they can move easily, so these are motile, and the chromosome number here is haploid. जब मैंने आपको बताया था लास्ट टॉपिक में that during the gametogenesis, जब spermatogenesis हो रही होती है, the chromosome number reduces from 2n to n due to undergoing the process meiosis. क्या होगा? जब meiosis होती है तो उससे क्या होता है? These chromosome sets, there are two sets present in the germ cells, whereas during the formation of these sperms there remains only one set of chromosome. So that is why these are haploid. The structure of this sperm is divided into four parts. Four parts. First one is head, then there is neck, then middle piece, and after that there is a long tail. Okay, these are the four parts of sperm, or we can say that the structure of sperm is divided into four parts: head, neck, middle piece, and tail. The head is divided into two parts. One is nucleus and the other is acrosome. Okay, so if we talk about the structure of the sperm, it looks like this. An elongated structure. This is what? This is the nucleus part. Okay, the nucleus is elongated, having the depression. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? न्यूक्लियस में डिप्रेशन सा प्रेजेंट होगा. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज न्यूक्लियस. लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने आपको बताया था प्रेजेंट क्या होगा न्यूक्लियस में, देखो क्या होता है कि न्यूक्लियस जो होता है जब फॉर्मेशन होती है स्पर्म की, तो न्यूक्लियस क्या करता है, इसमें जो आरएनए होता है और साथ में एसिडिक प्रोटीन्स जो होते हैं वो सारे लॉस हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, रहता क्या है इसमें? सिर्फ डीएनए एंड सम बेसिक प्रोटीन्स. सो लेफ्ट ओवर आर डीएनए एंड बेसिक प्रोटीन्स. ओके, नो न्यूक्लियस के ऊपर देखें तो उसमें क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? देयर इज अ टिप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, or we can say that cone shaped structure is present which is called as acrosome. Acrosome, very important structure, as this acrosome releases some lysins. क्या होगा? acrosome में से कुछ lysins release होते हैं जो क्या करते हैं? they play an important part. क्या करेंगे ये? they eat or they digest the above जो भी layers एग के ऊपर प्रेजेंट होती हैं उनको वो डाइजेस्ट कर लेंगे, या फिर दिस एक्रोसोम हेल्प्स द स्पर्म टू पेनिट्रेट इनटू द एग. ओके, सो दिस इज एक्रोसोम एंड दिस इज न्यूक्लियस पार्ट. सो कवर्ड विथ अ, आई ड्रॉ इट विथ डिफरेंट कलर. बाहर जो कवरिंग होगी वो किसकी होगी, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की। हियर डिप्रेशन इज प्रेजेंट, क्या होगा, ये जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होगी यहाँ से अंदर से यहाँ पे डिप्रेशन सा प्रेजेंट होगा, एंड दिस रीजन is called as neck, as this portion is called as head. Okay, head consists of nucleus and acrosome, and this portion is called as neck. Now यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो मैंने आपको बोला कि there is a depression in the nucleus, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, there is present a centriole. दो centrioles present होते हैं, one is in this depression part and other in the neck region. Okay, the centriole which is in this depression part near the depression of the nucleus, this is called as proximal centriole, and the centriole in the neck region, it is called as distal centriole. अगर मैं आपको इनका फंक्शन बताऊं क्या होता है, कि जो प्रॉक्सिमल सेंट्रियोल है इसका फंक्शन क्या है, these help in the formation of spindle fibers. I write here that proximal centriole function is what, help in the formation of spindle fibers during first zygotic cleavage. Okay, so proximal centriole का फंक्शन ये आ गया, and the distal centriole से क्या होगा, यहाँ पे distal centriole present है, from this distal centriole axial filaments arise. This gives rise to the axial filaments like this. These are axial filaments. These axial filaments actually they act as a skeletal framework for the structure of the sperm. Okay, what are they? These are axial filaments arise from the distal centriole. Okay, distal centriole give rise to axial filament. These actually act as skeletal framework. Okay. Now, from this region, this is neck region, and from this region, another part which is called as middle piece arises. Okay. So this part is called as middle piece. It also ends up like a depression. Okay. So this region is called as middle piece. In this region, in the middle piece, mitochondria are present, and these mitochondria are ribbon shape, or we can say that these are spiral in shape. So like this. So what are these? These are the mitochondria present in the region of middle piece. And these mitochondria which are present in the sperm, in the structure of sperm, these are known as nibercons. Nibercons are nothing else. These are the structures. These are the mitochondria, or the name given to the mitochondria which are present in the middle piece. These are actually spiral or ribbon shape. As you can see, these are spiral or ribbon shape. Okay. Now, from this part, another part which is called as tail. It rises. Okay, this is tail. As tail is very much long and in comparison to these three parts, the tail is very long in the structure of the sperm. So this part is called as tail. What is the function of the tail? The function of the tail is only that it helps in the movement of the sperm in the female reproductive tract. Okay, so this part is called as tail region. Okay, now for the movement of the tail, the energy is provided by these nibelkerns. Nibelkerns are actually what? These are mitochondria. Mitochondria provide the energy for the movement of the tail in the female reproductive tract. Now, there is another layer inside the plasma membrane up to the another layer is present which covers the part of acrosome and half the part of nucleus. Okay, so start from this. There is a layer present only up to the half region of nucleus and the whole region of acrosome. So this region or this membrane, okay, this membrane is known as gallia, and from there from another half region there arises another layer which goes up to the part of middle piece. Okay, and this layer which is present from the lower half of the nucleus to the middle piece, this layer is called as manchae. Okay, these layers actually provide the extra you can say that the function of these layers is to provide the extra protection to the nucleus region and the acrosome region. Okay, now one more important thing is that साइटोप्लाज्म की बात की थी जब मैंने लास्ट टॉपिक में मैंने आपको बताया था that there is very less cytoplasm present in the structure of the sperm, and where it is present? It is present here in tail region. Okay, so cytoplasm is very less in quantity and is present here in the tail region. So this is the structure of the sperm. Now क्या क्या पढ़ा इसमें हमने? That these sperms are motile, elongated and haploid. Haploid by having only one set of the chromosome. Okay, four parts of the sperm: head, neck, middle piece and this tail part. Head part consists of two parts: nucleus and acrosome. Function of the acrosome: these help the sperm to penetrate into the wall of egg by releasing lysins, sperm lysins. Okay, now in the nucleus part there are present only DNA and some basic proteins. DNA, you can say there is the genetic material present in the nucleus. Okay, now there is the another part which is called as neck part. Okay, neck is a depressive part from which part that part is called as neck part. Here in this neck part centriole is present. Which centriole? Distal centriole. Function: it gives rise to the axial filaments which act as what their function? They actually provide the skeletal framework to the whole structure. Okay, another centriole is present which is present in the depression of the nucleus, and this centriole is called as proximal centriole. Function: help in the formation of spindle fibers during the zygotic cleavage. Okay, from after the structure of neck, the another part which is called as middle piece. This part is called as middle piece. Herein were present the axial filaments also, and the most important structure which are mitochondria. And here in the structure of sperm, these mitochondria are called as nibelkern. A special term has been given to these mitochondria which are called as nibelkern. Function is to provide energy for the movement of the sperm in the female reproductive tract. And after middle piece, the remaining part is tail region. Very elongated structure, very long tail is present. Function: helps in the movement of the whole structure or help in the movement of the sperm. Okay, two more layers are present. One layer which covers the acrosome part and half the part of the nucleus. Okay, and this layer is called as gallia. Another layer which is present is starting from the lower half part of the nucleus up to the middle piece, and this layer is called as manchating. So this is all about the structure of the sperm. Now there are two types of the sperm. There are two types of sperms. अगर हम germ cell की बात करें, germ cell में क्या होता है? Two sets of chromosome, and in case of the man there is X and Y chromosome, whereas in females there is X and X chromosome. Okay, so XY chromosome undergoes meiosis and form two haploid chromosomes. Having in one cell there is X chromosome and in another there is Y chromosome. Now these cells undergo meiosis second. Here in meiosis 1 and then meiosis second. After meiosis second, 4 spermatids form. क्या होगा? 4 spermatids या फिर आप बोल सकते हो 4 क्या बनते हैं? Sperms की formation होती है. And these sperms consists of X chromosome and Y chromosome. So the sperms having only XX chromosomes, these are called as gynosperms. What are they? These are gynosperms. And the sperms having Y chromosome, these are called as androsperms. So two types of the sperms, one is gynosperm and another is androsperm. Gynosperms are those having the X chromosome. Why gyno word is used? It is related to the female. In female there is X chromosome, so that is why they have given the name gynosperms. And in those sperms wherein only Y chromosome is present, they are called as androsperm. Another thing which is very important related to the topic of this sperm is the viability of the sperm. Okay, so next is what? There is another term which is called as viability. What is it? Actually viability है क्या? It is आप बोल सकते हो it is a process या फिर एक time duration की बात हुई है कि ये जो sperms है जब reproductive tract में चले जाते हैं, female reproductive tract में चले जाएंगे, तो for how much time they are capable to cause or to undergo fertilization. ठीक है? So अगर हम उनकी viability की बात करें कि how much time they take to fertilize with the egg, so it is 24 hours. कितने? 24 hours. 24 hours तक जो sperms होंगे वो क्या है? Viable. Means कि they have the capability to fertilize the egg. So this is the viability of the sperm. 24 hours of viability to fertilize the egg. So this is all about the structure of the sperm. क्या हो गया? 4 पार्ट है, head, neck, middle piece, tail. काफी डिटेल में बता दिया इसके बारे में मैंने आपको. And there are 2 types of the sperm, gynosperms and androsperms. And after that there is viability. So sperms have 24 hours of viability to fertilize the egg or to cause fusion with the egg. So thank you. This is all about the structure of sperm. In the next topic, in the next video, we will discuss about the oogenesis, that is formation of the egg and their structure and so on. So thank you. Please like the video. Please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.